Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Arc Raiders online connection error where it says online services are currently unavailable. Let's fix it fast. First, open the search bar and type View Network Connections. Click it, then find your active network adapter. Double-click it, select Properties, then open Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Now choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Set preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4, then click OK. Next, open Search again, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes, then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Finally, restart your computer. Once your PC boots back up, launch Arc Raiders. The online connection error should now be fixed. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.